Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In the previous video tutorial we have rendered the date and status, but there is a slightly change in this video. If you will view the previous video tutorial, we have used a simple text within the current status variable, and now we have rendered the whole TD or table data column for the publish and draft separately within this current status. We have used success for the published and danger for the draft. That's why the danger color is appear as a draft background, and I have already explained you that in this tutorial we will use to render the date in the correct format, because this is a JSON type and returned from the Microsoft DateTime variable or attribute property, and we need to convert that into front end. And for that, simply we will use DateTime method of JS. Okay, in the console, yes. When we will use date method date, it will return us the current date or the current time. As you can see, right time here, the first time when I have entered this method, it's written this value, and now it's written this value. So this is the current time from the date method of JS. And to convert this, we will store this value within a variable as var publish date, for example. Publish this is the publish date, and now when I will call publish date, it's return me this value. Let's clear the screen. Now I need its substring, so I will say public publish date dot substring 6. So it's returned me the inner value as this. Now I will convert and parse as int. I will say parse dot parse int this one. I will parse this. So it's returned me the inner timestamp in milliseconds. Now we need to pass this into the date method as copy this date adds, and it's return me this value. Now I need to, you can see it's returning this value again and again. Okay, so now we need to use var dd is equal new date and this, and use dd, and you can see it's return me this value. It's returning me this value. Okay, now I will execute this once again and use dd, and it's returning me the same value. So it's mean it is the exact time of publishing this post. Okay, I can get date separately from this. As you can see, I am getting the individual date. I can get the individual day as this, or we can create a method proper here in the script. Let's create a function convert date, and here is dd. Okay, so pass dd here, and current timestamp. Now return value from here as current timestamp dot get date plus plus and here we have the final result. And the last one is the get year. Here is the get month, and save it. Use this function right below where we are using publish date. Save it, and now refresh the application once, and here you will see it will give you this date 8/11, and this is the year. Okay, let's get the year from here. Oops, we need to define publish date, and now this and dd dot get year, and it's returning us this 2018, like this. Okay, let's see how much. This is the full year which we need. Oops, this is the full year which we need. So update the code as full year instead of the half year. This is the full year, and now refresh the application and we will get the exact date of insertion of the record. As you can see this. I hope this video is informative. If you have any kind of question, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. Take care, bye bye, have fun.